Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to send a check but didn't have access to a bank account? Or maybe you're just looking for a more convenient way to send money. If so, then Novo might be the solution for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a check with Novo. I'll also cover some of the other benefits of using Novo for your financial needs. What is Novo? Novo is a fintech company that offers a variety of banking services, including checking accounts, debit cards, and bill pay. One of the most unique features of Novo is that it allows you to send and receive checks without having a traditional bank account. How to send a check with Novo? Sign up for a Novo account. Once your account is approved, you can order a checkbook from Novo. Once your checkbook arrives, you can fill out a check and mail it to the recipient. You can also send a check electronically through Novo's app or website. Benefits of using Novo to send checks. No need for a traditional bank account. Free checking account. No overdraft fees. Early direct deposit. Mobile app and online banking. 24/7 customer support. If you're looking for a convenient and affordable way to send checks, then Novo is a great option. With Novo, you can send checks without having a traditional bank account. You can also enjoy a variety of other benefits, such as free checking, no overdraft fees, and early direct deposit. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Additional tips. When sending a check, be sure to include the recipient's name, address, and account number. Make sure that the check is signed and dated correctly. Mail the check in a secure envelope. Track your check status using the Novo app or website. If you're interested in learning more about Novo, please visit their website or download their app. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips. Here is a sample script for the outro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. I hope you enjoyed this video about how to send a check with Novo. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I would also love to hear your thoughts on Novo. Have you used it before? If so, what are your experiences? Please subscribe to my channel for more financial tips. Thanks for watching.